welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn some very basic and important Linux commands that every beginner should know. If you are just starting with Linux, this video is going to be super helpful. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the command tty. This command shows which terminal you are currently using. You might see something like /dev /pts /0. That's a sudo or temporary terminals, usually used when you are accessing Linux from a GUI. So currently I'm using Oracle VirtualBox and this is its graphical user interface. So that's why I'm getting /dev /pts /0 output. Each TTY represent a different terminal session. So if you want to switch to different teletype session, you can press Alt Control and F1 to F6. This will gives you different terminal stations. Now let's talk about our second command, which is who am I. This command will display current username. So when I type this command, I'm getting root. So since I'm login as a root currently, so I'm getting output root. Then comes who. This command will display all login of current login user. It includes host name, the teletype session, date and time. Correct. Then next command is w. So it will display users all login with average CPU utilization. So currently we have a user called as Shobhan is logged in, and here you can see its current terminal is TTY2, then login time, idle time, CPU utilization, and other details. Then next command comes ID. This will display ID info of specific user, just like I want to check ID of root user. So it will show user ID, group ID, and groups for the root user. You can check ID of a Shobhan user as well. So it will gives UID, GUID, and groups for the same user. Let me clear my screen. Then next come cal. So this command will give you or display you a current month calendar. You can see. So I given command cal hyphen 1. So it will show current month calendar. I can use cal hyphen m. So what changes here? Here, if you can see, the calendar of the current month start with Monday, which is not case in earlier. When I type cal hyphen 1, that time the month start with Sunday, as you can see on my screen. Then also I want to see consecutive 3 months of calendar. So I just give command cal hyphen 3 and it will shows current month calendar, month before current month and month after current month. So I can see consecutive 3 months of calendar when I type cal hyphen 3. Also, I can switch or can see a calendar of specific month from specific year. Let me show you the command. So I just type cal. Let's say I wanna go to February of 2020. So I can see a calendar of February month of the year 2020. Then I want to see calendar in uh, uh, what I say in Julian form. So for this, I can use cal hyphen j. So this will show current month calendar in the Julian form. So what is Julian form? In the Julian form, you can see a day or a date in a specific uh, number. Like uh, as you know, there are 365 days in a year. So what day it is today? So today is 217, 217th day of the year. So that's called Julian form. So similarly, I want to see consecutive 3 months of calendar in Julian form. So here you can see July, August, and September calendar in Julian form. Similarly, I want to let me clear my screen first. And now I want to see calendar from the year, uh, now take 2021 in the Julian form. So here you can see a calendar of 2021, year 2021 in Julian form, right? Now our next command is date. It will show you the current date and time uh, on my system. So you can use date command to see a date and time. Then now let's get to the system administrative commands. Like, our first command is cd. Cd is simply change directory. Okay. So now I want to change my directory. For example, cd slash var slash tmp. I'm sorry, it's should be slash var slash tmp. So as you can see, now we are in tmp folder. You can just do pwd. Pwd is present working directory, which means currently we are in which directory. So if you want to know, you can just type pwd and you will get your path of current present working directory. Now I want to go back to one directory back, so I will type cd dot dot and it will send me one directory back, like we were in slash var slash tmp. And when I give cd dot dot, I'll back in slash var. We just exited one directory, which is slash tmp. Now we are in slash var. Now I want to go back to directory, so I will just type just that re that's, and now we are to directory back. So currently we are in root directory. Okay. Now our next command is ls. So it's for list. Ls stand for list. So it will list all the directories or file present in our working directory, present working directory. So as you can see, the list of files and folders present in current working directory. So here you can see slash bin, dev, kali, media, opt. So these are the folders present in my present working directory. So now I wanna go to any specific. I wanna list, uh, for example, slash var slash tmp. So you here you can see the files and directories present in slash var slash tmp. So this is how you can list any uh, file or folder, the content present in any file and folder, right? So ls-a, it will list all the hidden files as well. Like, if you can compare this with the ls. So here you can see, you will not able to see that dot and dot dot files. So these are the hidden files present in our present working directory. So using hyphen a, you can list all present working directory, including hidden files, which represented by dot. Okay. Now let's say I wanna list all the files present in slash tmp. So I'll just do ls-a and slash tmp. So this here you can see dot font hyphen unix dot ic hyphen unix. So what are these? These are all hidden folders or files present in our uh, slash temp folder. Okay. Now ls hyphen l. So it will long list all the files in present working directory along with the permissions a specific file has. So if you see dev folder, which has uh, which you can see its permissions and the date of creation, right? After which the next command comes. Uh, or before that, let's see one command, ls-ld. And let's say I want to list music. One sec. Okay, it's media. So ls hyphen ld slash media. So when we use ls hyphen ld, we use it when we want to list a directory. So we have slash media directory, and in order to list the content in the slash media, I use ls hyphen ld, where D stand for directory. So basically, it's long listing of specific directory. Okay. Now I want to list in single column. So I'll do one thing. I'll do ls hyphen one, which will list in single column in ascending order. Right? You can see here. So it's in ascending order and listed in single column. Similarly, now I want to lsltr. So this is the most used command by any Linux system administrator. So what will it do? It will long list along with timestamp and in reverse order. So here you can see a long listing along with the timestamp, and uh, where R we have mentioned is stand for in reverse order. It will uh, list the files in reverse order, right? Then next command is clear itself. So when I type clear, it will clear the terminal. Okay, basically it's screen clear, and a shortcut for it is control hyphen L. Correct. Then next command comes history. So it will list all the commands we have used uh, on the terminal, right? So using that command, you can see which commands you have used along with, uh, I mean, along with, like you can see, I have used 512 commands till the time. So it have listed all the commands in their respective order. Okay. Then next command is pwd. So it will display present working directory. Currently I am in slash root. Now let me switch to, for example, I'll go to slash where slash tmp. So now where I am, you can see I'm in slash where slash tmp. So there are many instances in the life of any system administrator, specifically in Linux system administrator, where he need to get its his present working directory. So what he will just do, he will type pwd, and he will get to know where he is currently working, right? So our next command is logout. So what logout will do? It will log out from the user account and utility. So we are currently logged in as root. So it will logged out from a root user. And now I we are come back to our uh, local account, right? You can see here. Okay. Then our next command is exit. So what exit will do? It will terminate or exit from the user account, utilities, command, process, etc. So when I do exit, we'll get uh, logged out. So you can also do control plus D. So you have to press these keys, and don't try to type just I have done. So you can simply do control plus D is a shortcut, or control plus C to cancel the running process. So now I'll show what exit will do. It just terminate the entire session. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for joining this session. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. And that's it for the today's video on basic Linux command. These simple commands are super useful when you are starting out in the Linux world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what topic you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you.